Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between 24-hour display, so military time, and 12-hour display on your Casio F91W. Now this is going to work for all Casio watches that have the three buttons, so the three pushers, just like this one. So you also have the W86, the A163W, and so on. So in order to switch between 24-hour display and 12-hour display, all you need to do is to push the button on the right. As you can see, we now have PM, so up to 12 hours. And if I press it one more time, it is going to switch back to 24 hours. If you leave it on 24-hour or 12-hour display, when you set the time, you will be able to set up to 12 or up to 24 hours in your military time. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.